Good morning, Asia, from the team at PrivateerFX. Welcome to the North American wrap, getting started a little bit later than normal, and the Asian morning preview. Let's get right to the charts. Aussie dollar. There's some event risk this evening or this morning for you. For the Aussie dollar, you can see we have two daily lows here at 78.18. We have the jobs number coming out of Australia and China GDP. And jobs number is supposed to be a little bit softer than the last few months, but take it with a grain of salt because something seems to be going on with the way that they're calculating the jobs numbers. So they've been very volatile, and I think you may get a knee jerk, but I wouldn't really stick with a trade one way or the other. The China GDP numbers are definitely more important to me. Year on year is expected 6.8% for the China GDP. So we are starting to trend under this 7% where they've been for a long time. So I would definitely keep an eye on those two numbers for the Australian dollar. If we break here, I think we can start retracing. We get back down underneath this 100-day moving average at 7807, and then get back down into these lows. Moving on to the euro dollar, we did have a reversal day higher, but not a whole lot going on here. Very, very quiet. A complete waste of energy. Sterling caught a little bit of a bid. It went down, took out Tuesday's low, and by 6 pips or so, and then reversed higher. We closed just above 132 the figure. So, there is a chance that we get back up here in this higher 132s. Again, it's all about the UK and the EU and the Brexit negotiations that are going to be going on. May will be speaking tomorrow after dinner with, I believe it's Juncker. So that's one just to keep an eye on. But again, it's going to be completely news flow driven. New Zealand dollar, a couple of these dojis down day, recovered off the lows, kind of messy. We do have the announcement from Peters and this evening, and if Peters forms a government with Labor, that is going to be taken as a negative. And Kiwi, we think, will come down probably about 1% or 1.5% from some of the things we've been reading. So that would get us down, into this low 70, high 70, 80 area, maybe down into here, 70, 90. There's no set time for the announcement, so just stay tuned. This could come out really any time now in your kind of midday Asia. Dollar CAD, kind of interesting. We have now formed a double top that we talked about up at 126. We have this 3-day pattern, which is very bearish. This, to me, looks like it's going lower. And with the NAFTA negotiations being pushed out until 2018, this will now go, trade with the rest of the dollars and, somewhat correlated with oil. Dollar Swiss, talking about double tops. Dollar Swiss, we have a double top up here. We tested this 98.36 level pretty much to the tick. We did close, we breached intraday the 200-day, but we've closed back below it. So a little bit of indecision here. There's the big battle between the 200-day moving average and these old highs. This is a break trade for sure, similar to what we were showing you with this Aussie below these 78.18. That too is a break trade. Dollar yen got up to this 3/4 fib, right to the ticket, pulled back about 20, 25 points, as noted on our Twitter post today, but it's staying very well bid. Here we are right back at 113 the figure. Let's take a look at what else was interesting. The NASDAQ, a lot of indecision. Here's a daily chart of the NASDAQ. Doji. This is today. It hasn't done anything obviously yet because we only just opened. I'm paying very close attention to these. We highlighted the DAX yesterday. ugly three bars, made a new high today, closed in the bottom half of the range. So still to me that this area down in here underneath these lows, 12,970 are definitely definitely a break trade. Dollar MEX we spoke about yesterday after some of the positive NAFTA news. We had the big outside reversal day lower. We did have a reversal higher, closed back above the 200 day, but more in the middle of the range. Again, I'm looking to sell rallies in this. I'm looking to sell rallies in dollar Canada. Uh, let's take a quick look at the S&Ps. Nothing really. New highs, new high closes. Blah blah blah. That is getting old saying that, but it is seems to be every day. Let's take a look at gold. Gold had a little bit of a third down day. Respected that 1309, 1310 resistance and back down and getting close to this 1277, which is a 100-day moving average. So keep an eye on gold for direction of risk. And that should pretty much do it. Again, Australian jobs coming up in a couple hours, and the China GDP after that. So good luck trading, and we will speak to you on the European Open.